What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out another truly wireless earbuds. Now, I was able to find these on Amazon, so I'll post the link in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. Now, these headphones are pretty cool, guys. Now, these have a feature that none of my current earbuds have, and I can't wait to show you guys what that feature is. So do make sure to stay out through the video, or you guys can, skip through in case you want to see what that feature is. So first off, let's start with the unboxing, and let's take a look at the packaging. So this is a pretty simple packaging. It's all black with just the Kaneye, just the Kaneye name on there, with a little kind of image of what our design of what the earbuds are going to look like, and then everything else on the box is pretty much, well, it's just all black. So pretty simple but neat box, and it just slides open like that. And then we have the same Kaneye, and I think these are the reading materials. Now, I was able to use these for about 2 days just to see, just to get the feel for how they are and how they work. And they're pretty good. Alright, so you got a carrying bag here, which is very much appreciated. So thank you. For those of you who want to keep your headphone clean at all times, the carrying bag will definitely do the job. And there we have the, I can't really say that, but I'm going to try to, the PeohZarr. Now, forgive me, guys, if I'm destroying that name, but use a manual, read before use. If you guys are experienced with Bluetooth headphones, you may not want to read this, but in case you're having issues, definitely check this out, because this did help me in the pairing process. All right, and then we have a little thank you note right here. There we go. And that's pretty much it for the reading materials. Now let's take a look at the accessories. So we have here a micro USB, which means, this is going to charge via micro USB. I'm pretty sure you guys, just like me, have a whole bunch of these. So, just add that to the pile. Then let's just take this out. Okay. Alright, and here we have the earbuds, and then we have some extra tips right here, which is laid out very neatly for us. And they're kind of easy. Oh, you see my hands kind of touch it already. Okay, and so these are the smallest size ones. Oh, it kind of fell. And then we have just a bigger one here. So it's different sizes to suit your ear, which is pretty nice. Most headphones seems to come with those these days. Let's just stick out the earbuds. So we have one side, and this one is already blinking up. It's already ready to pair up, guys. Come on. Oop. And then we have the carrying case. So let's take a look at this first, and then we'll take a look at the earbuds. So now, size comparison really quick. You guys are pretty much familiar with the Samsung buds and the size it is. And I also did a review of the Q1 TWS. There we go. So just to give you guys a quick size comparison. So it's definitely a little bigger. Now at first, I didn't know. I was like, why is this thing so huge? But as we go through it, you guys will kind of find out. Alright, so Kaneye brand at the top there. Now right here is pretty cool, guys. So we have the micro USB input to charge the case along with the earbuds. And then we have some LED lights right here, which are 3. Now, if you guys haven't already figured it out, there's a big USB here. Now, this is also a battery pack, which I thought that was pretty awesome, because I carry my battery packs every day, and sometimes they take up extra space, and I never really need to charge my phone all the way up, just probably halfway or so, and these definitely fit the job, guys. So this is a pretty cool feature. So I was able to try out how much battery this portable battery here will charge on your phone, and on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus it was at 34%, and I was able to get it all the way up to 87. Now that's with the phone just on standby, so it was just plugged in, it was not being used. So that gave me about a little bit over 50% of extra battery, which is, you guys know how that goes when you really need some battery and there's nowhere to plug your device in. This is pretty cool, guys. So that is a nice feature to have on these. It is a little chunky, but it's a battery pack and a headphone. It's like a 2-in-1 right there. Alright, so let's pop this open. So there you go, have the left side, right side, and for some odd reason I like to just test how strong the magnets are, and these are pretty strong, guys. See that? Pretty strong. It's actually stronger than the Samsung ones. Alright. And that's pretty much the carrying case, guys. And there you go. So these little LEDs will kind of indicate how much battery is remaining on the charging case, you know, for external charging uses. Alright, so let's take a look at the buds. So you guys probably already figured out one feature. Yeah, this is kind of like a capacitive touch button right here. It's not an actual click button. You just kind of tap it and you're going to get all your functions. So here are the earbuds. Once again, I'm going to grab my Samsung earbuds so you guys can get a size comparison. There we go. So bang. So Samsung ones, the Kaneye ones, pretty nice, pretty cool design. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty simple. Let me go ahead and grab my phone and let's start to pair these up. Alrighty, so I got my S8 Plus right here, and let's just go over the Bluetooth and let's see what we're working with. So I think if we just tap one side of it, we should get the Bluetooth to come on. Alright, so let's take it out because I think it's charging right now, guys. So we have that nice LED rim around it, or the nice light rim, which I think is pretty nice. Alright, so they're red. I think they need to charge up. Okay, so we have the, what side is this? This is the, I'm not quite sure what side these are, guys. This is weird. Okay, so this is the right side. Okay, good. So we have the right side here. This one is blinking. We're going to scan on the phone. It should come up T50. Boom. And it should pair up. There we go. Alright, so there is something that I gotta mention to you guys. Now, just like the Q1 TWS, you can use just a single side if you want to, instead of using both of them. Now, if you guys already saw it, the right side kind of paired up first, and what happens is T50 will show up as the right side. And then you'll use the right side individually, and then once you plug in or take the left side out of the charging case and put it into your ear, it will then sync up to the right side. So then you'll have both of them working at the same time. So let's say now you just want to use the left side. So you're going to take your right side, you're going to just drop it in there, right? You're going to lock up the case, and like in a few seconds, I think, there you go, it disconnects. And then the left side starts to blink on its own. So it goes into its own pairing mode, and then, come on, where is it? Okay, I have to scan again. And this is what happens, guys. So it's going to create its own, there we go. So T50L, which stands for the left side. And then you're going to connect the left side. And then what's going to happen is, it's going to connect as its independent left side Bluetooth bud. So if you just want to use the left side, you can just use the left side. And then what happens is, now let's say you want to use them together. So now you're going to take out the right side, right? Boom. Right now there you go, and then the right side just connects on its own again. So the right side just takes over the connection as the main bud. So it disconnects the left side, goes to the right side, and then now you can use the right side again on its own, or you can just plug them both in, and then you have the stereo sound. So that's something to note when using these earbuds. They're pretty simple to use, and you guys see the automated connection is seamlessly. It's just pretty easy to do, guys. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the camera around just so you guys can see how comfortable they fit in my ear and how it looked, and yeah, we'll try out the sound. Now, before we get into testing it out and seeing how comfortable they are, one thing I forgot to mention is the battery life of the earbuds, guys. Now, according to the instruction, they're giving you about 3.35 hours of playtime, and that's with the volume being around 75%. Now, for talk time, they're going to give you about 3 hours, and once again, that's with the volume being around 75%. Now, believe me when I say this, guys, 75% is it's loud enough, guys. It's loud enough with these earbuds. So you don't really need to go all the way up to 100%, but of course you can if you need to. Now, charge time on the earbuds, if the earbuds is completely drained out, let's say you had a crazy long day and they're completely dead, it's going to take you about 90 minutes to go from 0 all the way back up to 100. And the charging case, because it's also a portable battery, will take about 150 minutes from 0 all the way up to 100%. So do make sure to check out your battery life throughout your days, just so you know where you are. Now, that's pretty much the battery life of the earbuds. Let's test them out. Alright, so let's start off with how they fit in the ear. Now, they do fit pretty nice, at least for me. For some reason, my ear seems to fit almost any headphones I could find. They always fit perfectly in there, guys. Now, as far as comfort level goes, I was able to use this for about 2 hours back to back, and comfort level was crazy, guys. Did not experience any level of discomfort whatsoever. As a matter of fact, I kind of forgot that they were in there until somebody asked me what was those, and I was like, oh, they're earbuds. I forgot they were in there. So comfort level, definitely get a thumbs up. Now, as far as sound quality goes, and I'll just go to YouTube really quickly. There we go. Let some tracks play on the non-copyright. Now, yes, as far as the sound quality go, it's very well balanced. So there's enough bass, but there's also a lot of, well, enough flat end as well. So it's a very balanced. You can hear everything crystal clear, as well as getting good bass. So pretty much any genre that I've played so far, it just sounded really, really good. Have no complaints about that. And like earlier when I was telling you guys about the volume, I never really had to turn these up all the way up. As you guys can see, I'll just put it up there. Maybe you can hear it, maybe you can't. Yeah. So sound quality is good. Volume is really good. Yeah, I never turn these up all the way to 100. I always had them like around 75, maybe 80% the most, guys. The most. So loudness, thumbs up. Sound quality, thumbs up. Now let's get into the touch capacitive function of the earbuds, because they do have controls on them, so you don't have to completely control everything via your phone. The only function you'll have to control from your phone is volume. So starting off with the left side or the right side, if you kind of tap it, it pauses the track, and then if you tap it once again, it will, you know, play the track. Now on the left side, if you kind of long press the pen, you know, it'll restart the current track, or it will go to the previous track. And then if you do the same thing with the right side will just go ahead to the next track. Now there's another function. If you kind of double tap the buds, 1, 2, oh, let's try that again. There you go. So if you double track the buds, it will activate your, I guess, your voice assistant. So iPhone for Siri, Android if you're Samsung, you have Bixby. If Bixby is your AI that you use, of course you have Google Voice, guys. And that's all the functions of the earbuds. So I think I covered everything, guys. Like I said earlier, link to the earbuds will be in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. And they're really good earbuds, guys. So far it's been the best one, I guess. Maybe second or maybe first on my Samsung earbuds, because the last few days I've been grabbing these, guys, because the case is also a portable battery pack, so I could just plug in my phone if I need a quick charge. Other than that, I have nothing bad to say about these earbuds, guys. They sound good, they're comfortable, and it's a portable battery pack. What else do you need in some earbuds, guys? Alright, so if you like the video, hit the like button. Comment if you guys have these, if you are gonna pick them up and you got them. Let me know what you think about them. Are you as excited about them as I am? They're pretty good earbuds, guys. Alright, and until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.